Hello guys, it's different as hold on, I gotta redo that. Hello guys, this video is gonna be different than usual because it's gonna be a rant video. I fucking hate Modern Furnace, and he sucks because Romeo doesn't know what the hell he's doing with the character, and it's really fucking bad.
I've seen better characters on DeviantArt.
Yeah. Modern Furnace and why he sucks. Also say hi, Rito. Hello, hi.
My name is Plants vs. Zombies 7. Hi guys.
Hello, Plants vs. Zombies 7. Let's continue. Okay, so in this pool of negatives, we have positives. Surprisingly, yes. We're gonna be 100% honest and give good criticism. He has a very cool model and design. It looks fucking sick. He has a great voice actor.
Die in one universe, fight in another. It'll always end the same.
You can cook food real fucking fast. He's a great chef, man. Gordon Ramsay would be proud. And he's
Let me tell you, dude. I've actually been to one of his restaurants. Furnace guy.
Yeah?
Pretty good, man. Knows what he's doing. There's his way around a furnace and his way around an oven.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, damn. How was it seasoned and stuff? Was it like perfectly cooked?
Bro. He's just perfectly cooked, bro. You didn't even need to season it.
Damn, okay. Okay, I gotta
Just
visit him
knows his way around a kitchen.
You gotta visit him sometime, you know?
Yeah, he's got... I don't know, you gotta reserve it. Dude. It's like, reservations, like 2 months out, at least.
Oh, man, fuck. Oh, whatever.
Fastest thing alive, my ass, bro. He's not fast at all.
No,
It's slow, bro.
yeah, man.
Slow ass cook.
No, man. Alright. And he's a really cool robot. Because, you know, robots are just cool. Whoa there.
Dude, I love robots.
Dude, robots are so fucking cool. Remember Metal Sonic, guys? Oh, man. Fuck.
Dude, I love Metal Sonic.
Dude, oh,
I love
fuck.
Metal Sonic. My favorite game, CD, because Metal Sonic was.
Oh man, I wish this PowerPoint presentation was about Metal Sonic. Anyway.
If it was about Metal Sonic, it'd be like an entire Lord of the Rings trilogy.
Yep. Let's move on to the fucking negatives now. He's broken as hell! Why is he so overpowered? He has 900 fucking IQ, dude. He's a robot. He's
like
fucking
Joseph
robot.
Joestar without being funny.
He literally is a robot who has 900 IQ. It makes no fucking sense for a robot to have 900 IQ, dude. It's a fucking robot. What are we even talking about? He's smarter than his creator threefold. Because Eggman has like 300 IQ, right? So fucking... The guy made a creation that is 3 times smarter than him. That's not possible. It doesn't work like that.
Like it is. It's possible to do that. Have a creation that just like smarter than you. We're talking about Eggman. Eggman wouldn't fucking do that, dude.
Literally.
Eggman wouldn't fucking do that. You may say like Neo Metal or Metal Overlord, but did they ever summon Dark Gaia? Did they ever like fucking have the Timekeeper as a best buddy, dude? Did that ever happen? No. No.
But Plants vs. Zombies, man. This takes place in Sonic CD. What do you mean? What's a Dark Gaia?
Dude, what if I told you Eggman cracked the Earth?
No way, dude. This is Sonic CD. What do you mean, crack the Earth?
Oh yeah, I forgot. Yes, this fucker's like CD. So like, the most Eggman has ever done is seen Sonic use the Chaos Emeralds to make the planet green again. he's seen him move fast once. He's like, fuck! I gotta make furnace! Fuck!
Somehow, he is better than Metal Sonic, which makes no fucking sense. Like, at all.
By the way, the only one he can be based off of is Silver Sonic, my favorite little prototype, dude. He has stretchy arms and shit. But I don't think you go from Silver Sonic to
Furnace.
900 IQ.
Yeah.
I don't think that's how exactly it works. I also don't. I just don't think he'd go that fast.
Nope.
I don't think that makes sense.
Oh boy.
I don't think Iron Man built the first like Mark 50 suit in the cave when he built the Mark 1. Okay?
You never know, man. Maybe he did. And let's not forget everyone's favorite character trait, when they have no weakness. Everybody loves a character that has no weaknesses at all. It's so fucking cool, man.
Yes, I can start my flames underwater. I can be drenched and still catch fire.
Not only
I understand
that.
there's such things as oil fires and everything. But bro, you're telling me like it doesn't do shit to him?
Doesn't overheat.
like he's Fire Boy, bro. He's Fire Boy. What do you mean?
He can't overheat either. He's about as hot as 1/4 of the sun, by the way.
I could say he could be made out of titanium, be made out of tungsten. But there are repercussions to staying at that heat for so long. Not only does it expends a lot of energy. Does this fucker have a Chaos Emerald inside of him?
Could be the reason why he's so OP now that I think about it, man.
Yeah, he better have a Chaos Emerald inside of him. That's the only way. That's the only way that he expends that much energy. Which if he does, you know what? You can say that this idea was given to you by Plants vs. Zombies 7.
Thanks, Plants vs. Zombies 7.
I better be in the credits for everything you make.
Anyway, moving on. He fucking slaps around early modern Sonic, by the way. And this story takes place in Sonic CD.
Now, I don't know if any of you know this, but Eggman didn't make the arc. He wasn't there yet.
Nope.
I mean, sure, yeah, actually, he took over Little Planet. You know, he took over Little Planet. I'll give you that. He took over Little Planet. He's a pretty smart guy. But
No. Calm down, Weedle. We're still in Sonic CD, by the way. We're still in Sonic CD.
Okay, Little Planet is Sonic CD. He took over a planet.
Oh, okay, my bad.
It was chained to a fucking lake, but you know, whatever. I don't know how big Little Planet is. I mean, it's in the name. So he took over Little Planet, but all Sonic did, Sonic didn't even go super yet. And if you think Sonic CD happens after Sonic 2, then you know what? Furnace was built off of fucking Mark II Sonic, and if you don't remember, all he could do was ball, spike, ball, spike. He couldn't have been built off of metal because metal and furnace are like the same thing, supposed to be.
Except Furnace is just fire metal.
Firebender.
Yeah.
Fire Nation.
Furnace Nation.
Furnace Nation. Furnace Nation, stand down, not rise up. Furnace Nation.
I can't, dude. I can't with this fuck. I can't.
Dude, I thought Blood Edge the Hedgehog was more creative than this shit.
Fuck.
Like you telling me Furnace! Now Eggman's really mad, okay? Eggman's really mad, and he's in not of a good state of mind. So now he's gonna make something even better. Because he really wants to cook Sonic.
Before metal was even made, by the way, he made a superior metal. Before he was even made.
Yeah, before Eggman knew what to fucking do, Eggman went to his little, like, you know, Iron Man Taliban cave. And fucking made the best thing he's ever made ever. It just gets stronger over time. Now, what I take that as when you say that is that furnace that is made just keeps getting stronger, not furnace keeps getting rebuilt stronger. That's a different sentence entirely. You know? You're telling me this motherfucker just like gets better by being around? That's what that sounds like, and that's what I'm taking it as.
Literally Sonic Forces, dude. Sonic Forces plot for Furnace in Sonic CD.
Can I just mention how I hate what they did with Metal in that game?
Oh yeah.
Why was he big?
I don't know. I don't know.
He didn't need to be big. That was just the stupidest, idiotist fight I've ever seen in my life. Oh my lord.
I don't think we should have had Furnace in that game instead of Metal, to be honest. Would have been better. So they don't disrespect Metal like that.
Yeah, actually, if Infinite summoned Furnace and he was big and got like mollywopped by Sonic,
and you go like
I'd be happy.
You go like 900. Dude, what do you mean? He would activate his 900 IQ and outsmart Sonic and beat his ass.
He'd activate his 900 IQ, and as soon as Sonic spin dashed him, he would beat the exact rotation to stop Sonic's spin, and then grab him by the leg, and then fucking stuff him in his stomach, and then cook him.
Yeah. And be like, I expected that.
And then Starved would eat after he fucking puts his hands in there and burns his hands off 2,800 degrees Fahrenheit. Furnace, that is furnace. And then he would look at fucking Eggman's starved creation and just be like,
No, it looks like me, kinda. Bigger.
kill him. Even though Eggman could just press the power button.
To turn him off, yeah. Oh yeah, we didn't even get to that point. We didn't even get to. Let's get to that point now. He doesn't listen to Starved when it comes to killing Metal Sonic prototypes, but he has no personality. What the fuck is this? Dude, I can't.
Alright. So he's just a mindless drone that just like has a sleeper agent activated in him when he sees something that looks like him, also something that looks like Sonic.
Brother, it's so peak.
Bro, I feel so bad for Silver Sonic in this verse.
Yep.
Little extendo arms over here. See, it's like it gets looked at once and is like, ah!
No!
Inferior!
Please, spare me! Ah! That's it. He's just dead. Let's read these tweets that I put out. Screenshots. Furnace was built to kill people. Humans, okay, I guess. And programmed to fight back with custom weaponry and skill in case Sonic got away. Metal was built to be like Sonic. Wait, I haven't finished the sentence. To act like him. But the flaw he had was that he wasn't actually better than him. Furnace was made straight to the point. And yes.
Was made straight to the point. So Furnace is straight?
Yeah, dude. He likes girls.
How does a robot be straight?
Dude, I can't with him fucking saying Metal was built to be like Sonic, to act like him, but he wasn't better than him. When every encounter Metal had with Sonic, Metal was beating his ass. Dude, I can't.
Can I remind you guys of the OVA?
What? It's not canon. No, it's not canon, dude. It's a fucking canon.
Okay. It took the entire Chaotix to take down Metal Sonic, bro. This shit was not unique to heroes.
But Vector and Charmy are lame as hell.
Dude, Vector bags vanilla. He's not lame.
Yes, dude. Yes, finally. Love Vector. Furnace kills Eggman because he sees him as a disrespectful copy of his master. Eggman taunting EXEs when he exits Chase. Starved kills Eggman because, okay, that's lore. But like, okay, I get this is outcome memories, but let's think about this fucking logically, alright? Furnace has 900...
Furnace is a mindless servant. He doesn't know what the fuck disrespect is.
That too. Not only that, he's a robot with 900 IQ. So even if he knew what that meant, he would still see Eggman as his master from an alternate timeline because he has 900 IQ. That means he's fucking genius.
That point is so Ah!
Yep. He has 900 IQ.
So stupid.
But he can't. But he thinks that Eggman is a disrespectful copy of Starved. 900 IQ, by the way.
My OC has 900 IQ. What will you do? 900 IQ.
He's very smart. He also beats Goku with one finger.
Actually, Furnace has already predicted that you would do that.
My DeviantArt OC is so good. Everyone's gonna love it. And people eat this shit up, by the way. No one cares enough to like fucking talk about it. I swear, I have not seen anyone talk about this. This is bad.
By the way, Furnace is way more horrifying than you think right now.
Yeah, making a character big, smart, big, strong equals scary.
But no, he has gore. He has gore and he cooks them alive and he tortures them. He breaks all their bones and he gives them a death to remember.
Like, bro, did you miss why like EXEs were like kind of like uncanny back in the day? It wasn't because of the gore. It's not what it was. It was the fact that like it was like reality altering and it took this like character you're familiar with. You're giving me a character and you're telling me to be afraid of him because you're telling me he's big and strong instead of like
showing,
making him, yeah, showing.
You're telling and not showing. That's
Q&A was like
everyone.
felt silly.
I'm pretty sure everything ever that involves fiction is always show, don't tell.
Here's the thing: when I first heard about Furnace in an FNF mod, I was like, oh, this is cool because it's like Sonic CD, except instead of him like rivaling Sonic and just wanting to be better, like he was stronger than Sonic. For most of like the media output, like most of the media outputted for it, like the movie. Honestly, that's my best example is the movie. But he was meant to be better. He had a race in CD, but the difference with Furnace is that Furnace just kind of wanted to kill him and cook him, and Sonic wasn't ready for that kind of like. That's the thing though. Sonic wasn't ready for that kind of. Yeah, with Eggman. It's not that he was stronger. It's that he wasn't ready, bro.
And we throw that completely out the window with Modern Furnace.
Yeah, Modern Furnace is like, well, what if Furnace was actually stronger than everybody, and he was big and tough, and he's a mom tattoo on his shoulder. You don't want to mess with him.
Yeah, he's a Yakuza dude.
He's a Yakuza dude. Exactly.
So anyway,
also he has fire that can't be extinguished.
And also can't overheat, by the way. No weaknesses. He has no weaknesses at all. And if he gets destroyed, if Starve can just repair him and make him better than before.
Blood Edge the Furnace, dude.
Fucking hell, man.
Like, this really feels lazy. It feels lazy as hell. What's my character idea? Stronger. Also smarter. Also fire. Also, he has unique custom skills in case Sonic runs away. Whatever that means, bro. Whatever that means.
Yeah. Let me reread this. Furnace is just programmed to cook for Starved. He doesn't have any real identity programmed to him. He will always know himself as the servant of his master. What the fuck? Hold on a minute.
It doesn't make sense saying
what,
that he.
No. What would Furnace think of his other variants? Metal Sonic, Silver Sonic, Mecha Sonic. He'd see them as disrespectful imposters who he'd destroy on sight even if Starve doesn't want him to. So he's a...
You can't be an imposter to someone. They don't have an identity.
Not only that, he's a servant of Eggman. That means he will listen to what Eggman says. And if Eggman says don't do that, he's not gonna do it. And you're telling me this character doesn't have any personality? He doesn't have any real identity.
He has an identity if he thinks his identity is being infringed upon.
It makes no fucking sense why he can think and see imposters and fakers and whatnot and destroy them even though he's told not to do it if he has no identity. You can't just say that, you know? It doesn't work like that. You can't tell me this character is emotionless and he's a robot, but he does what he wants. I think it was who would win, Metal Sonic or Furnace? It'd be Furnace. Furnace was built off of Metal Sonic and was giving the attachment upgrades that had him look like Mecha Sonic after he killed Sonic. He's basically a brute version of Mecha Sonic who never holds back off the rip, so he can deal the most damage early, damage for later. Hold on, I read that wrong. So he can deal the most early damage for later. So he's built off of, so he's built to look like Mecha Sonic, right?
Right.
Built off of Metal Sonic. Metal Sonic in this continuity doesn't exist. And Mecha Sonic is from Sonic 3. This takes place in Sonic CD.
Or Silver Sonic, bro. He's gonna get his ass.
He is just getting his ass fucking pounded, dude. It's not even funny how he's getting his ass beat. I'm really trying to understand now. Metal Sonic, he's built off of him, but he doesn't exist in this timeline. And he's also built off of Mecha Sonic, who again doesn't exist in this timeline. And also, it's so early for him to be inspired by Mecha Sonic because it's Sonic CD, and Mecha Sonic is from Sonic 3. He also says that he's a brute version of Mecha Sonic, who's literally a brute. So let's just... Romeo. Romeo. Fucking hell, man.
This is some silly Billy made this up, dude. Some silly Billy. Why is this blood so strong? Bro?
Anything that isn't art, a furnace, voice acting, outcome memory stuff is dog shit. I'm sorry, I have to say it. Anything that isn't outcome memories related for Furnace, or the models, or voice acting, is, or art, sorry, not model, is dog shit.
I can see him running into outcome memories Eggman and being like, "You're not my egg. I'm gonna cook you because you're a person."
That's literally
that.
not what happens, though. He doesn't kill people. He kills Mobians.
He said people. His words were people.
Oh yeah, Furnace was built to kill people.
Yeah, so he killed Eggman because he's a person.
Oh my fucking god. Wow. So the entire thing of Starve just eating Mobians is just thrown out the window.
Oh no, they turn. So this is the synopsis of Furnace right now. He has no identity, but he loves killing people and hates when things copy him. Hello? How does he love anything if he has like no identity at all? He's just a servant. What's stopping Eggman from fucking pressing that power button?
Oh, what the hell is happening to my screen? Hold on a minute.
He's not gonna remove it if he's just completely under the whims of Eggman.
I just had to make sure I'm still recording. I can't, dude. I can't. I'm trying to. I love the design. I fucking love this design. I love this model. It looks so good. It looks so good. Okay. It looks so good. I love the voice.
Alright.
I love the voice as well. I really like the voice. Everything else?
I like the voice. I just wish it was more Vocaloid. For that comes from robots, like how people do Metal's voice. Love that.
But everything else?
So don't even try it.
Man. I don't know. This story looks like it could be shit. I really hope not. Because the original...
Like it'd be cooler if his personality was less Super Smash Bros. Z and more Metal Sonic, where he like kind of matches his quirkiness. But not quirkiness, quippiness.
Yeah.
How he quips.
This dude Furnace behaves like he's a final boss when he's literally a servant to Eggman. This character has no personality, by the way, or identity to him. I don't know what else to say, man.
IQ.
Yeah, 900 IQ. Don't forget that.
But like 900 IQ, but it's Eggman doing the Lex Luthor 1A, 1A, 1A. Like the reason Metal Sonic is big is like Sonic is a freak of nature and is super strong. So Eggman's like, what if I do that?
But as
and
a
Furnace
robot.
Furnace is like, what if I copy him so I could capture him and cook him? Kill like other Mobians and cook them. I get that this is modern, it's a different story. So why does he feel the need to have fire then? It's not like he's fighting Blaze. It's not like it's Eggman Mega, where he's, you know, he's fighting Blaze. So he's like, what if I use fire against fire? That'd be cool though.
Keep in mind, there's still no keep in mind, there's no Super Sonic here yet, technically, and I probably think if Sonic somehow did go super, he would get his ass beat because of how OP he made Furnace.
I don't think so, just because Super Sonic did really.
Yeah, I hope so. But
I mean, my better judgment says that any Super Sonic beats Furnace.
Hopefully. Hopefully. I really hope so.
But you know, if everyone teamed up,
they would have a slight chance. A slight chance.
That video was horrible. I hated that video.
There was a slight chance of beating him.
And me curl my toes in hatred. And then like, don't slander my goat Metal like that. You don't need to slander him. Like,
he's been slandered by Sega enough in Forces.
Yeah, he's been slandered by Sega enough. I don't need this EV-Nart OC.
I'm sorry, I have to say this, but I think Metal peaked in Heroes, and after that, it's just been downward for him.
No, he peaked in the OVA. To be honest with you.
Oh, okay.
That was my favorite. That's when he peaked for me.
My favorite is still Heroes, and after that, it's just now.
I just didn't really quite like Metal very much. Not Metal, and very Neo.
Neo, yeah.
I didn't like Neo Metal very much because, like, first off, his little like cape thing. I was like, why does Metal have a cape?
He's a robot.
He's a robot. What is he using it for?
It looks cool, dude.
His hands are huge, though, dude. He could probably lift like 4 trucks himself.
Dude, 4 trucks? You know how much Furnace can lift? Furnace can lift 5 trucks, dude.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Dude, no.
Dude, if he can lift 5 trucks, that means everyone's gonna have to work together.
Dude, Dude, no.
Dude, I don't even think Knuckles, the guy who punched the Supersonic out of Sonic 3, I don't think Knuckles stands a chance against 5 trucks.
Dude. The invincible Supersonic he punched. No, dude.
Dude, Supersonic can only handle 4 trucks and a car.
No, man. Neo Metal and Supersonic from Sonic 3 and Knuckles are gonna have to team up, dude.
That way, with their combined power, they pick up 8 trucks and stack it on top of his 5 trucks and weigh him down and crush him.
And then he gets crushed while doing his bench press with 5 trucks. He's like, wait, it's too heavy for me. Fuck you for this. Die. Die, loser. Die, loser. See ya.
This is more than 5 trucks!
Wait, wait, I can't burst that. He just dies from being crushed. And then Star was like, oh shit, now I have to make him be able to bench 10 trucks.
Oh my god, 5 trucks wasn't enough. I gotta make a stronger one. I gotta make sure he can handle a bridge. He can handle 2 bridges.
No, I need him to bench the whole fucking planet. Dude, I can't. Who takes this seriously?
DNA?
Who
If I take
takes
all the Mobian's DNA and I make a perfect Andrew.
fucking bio furnace, dude? Let me obtain my perfect form. He absorbs Metal Sonic and Mecha Sonic to obtain his perfect form. Fucking dude, I can't. No one should take this fucking character seriously until Romeo does some fixes, because there is no way. There's 0 way you should take this character seriously. There is no way. I swear to God.
My name is Furnace.
And
Like, you know that panel
trucks.
with like, you know that panel with the 9 win Gojo?
Yeah.
The strongest. It's Furnace, bro.
Dude, yeah, dude. Except he would actually probably win because fucking Romeo just jacks him off until infinity.
Dude, like Gege?
Yeah, like Gege Sukuna, dude. Genuinely. Except Sukuna, except Furnace wouldn't
I
lose.
haven't had to use these flames since CD.
Since the CD era.
I haven't had to use this technique since the CD era.
Collect my 20 furnace fingers.
Furnace ignited 20 times, bro.
Fucking hell, man. I can't. No one, and I mean no one, should take this character seriously. No one. He looks cool. He has a good voice. That's all there is to him. Everything else is dog shit.
It's like performative males.
Yeah. It really is. Yeah.
Furnace is just a performative villain. Like, he says he has 300 IQ, but he really is just a mindless servant.
No. He has 900
bad,
IQ.
900.
900 IQ. Dude, you can't confuse that with my deviant ROC. You can't fucking say that. He's smarter than that. 3 times. He's smarter than your mom.
Smarter than your dad.
Combined. It's literally my dad's the coolest argument, but it's fucking Furnace. It's like someone is gonna have an EXE debate, and she's like, "Oh man, I love 2011X." Oh,
Yeah, but can he be Furnace though?
Yeah. Literally.
Can he be Furnace though?
Man, dude, Lord X is so cool. Like, he can bend the world and shit. He can make servants and all. Can he be Furnace? What? What
I
are
mean,
you
at
talking?
least
Can he be Furnace though?
rewrite can do that. Rewrite can do it.
Can he be Furnace though? No, but like, okay, thought so. Shut the fuck up. Like, genuinely. Also, yeah,
Rewrite can be Furnace.
yeah.
Rewrite's my go.
Dude, no, he has 900 IQ. He would outsmart Rewrite. He would make him hit himself. What do you mean? Fuck. Oh my god, he would like deflect that shit like Garo did in One Punch Man. He would just fucking deflect every blow from rewrite. I swear.
You're like, I already predicted you would do that rewrite.
Yeah, fucking Aizen.
Then rewrite would try to steal soul. I thought you'd do that rewrite, but I have no soul.
But
I'm
I have
a
no soul.
mindless servant.
He's like, what? What you just grabbed was my oven. Now burn. Ah! And he fucking roasts him and it becomes roast right instead of rewrite.
You just roast. You just roast.
Yeah, he's just roast right. He just like fucking. Just imagine rewrite, but he's just completely black and his pupils are still normal, like some shit from cartoons.
Yeah, it sounds like rewrite, bro.
Oh my god.
Rewrite brings out his Kyokai for him, dude.
He gets his ass whooped because 900 IQ.
I knew you would already do that. I knew about this form already.
I knew about this
analyzed
form
you.
already.
My 900 IQ.
No, I'm gonna go Neo form and beat your ass.
You look like you have a unique taste for my master.
You taste like a demon. Oh yeah, which reminds me, what's stopping Eggman from making like 1 million of these fuckers?
I feel like that'd be better. If like it was take away the 900 IQ, take away all the like weakness thingies. I think it would be scarier to have like a bunch of furnaces.
Instead of just one that's uber charged to the max.
Because like, if you make one of them, it's like
why not more?
crazy strong. There's nothing horrifying about him. There's nothing horrifying about him at all.
Yeah, strong and smart equals scary.
He's strong, he's smart, rips people apart.
That equals scary, dude.
Who wins, Furnace or Goku?
If Furnace was given prep time.
Goku might give me a little trouble.
Would you lose? Nah, I would win. Man, Goku would not even leave base form. Just being honest. Anyway.
No. Furnace would be like, I had already predicted that you would be this strong, and then summons a Time Lord.
and he Uber charges him, like he fucking absorbed the energy. Like for like
he
a
actually
spirit
burns the
bomb or some
Time Lord.
shit.
It turns him into the Roast Lord, dude.
He turns him into the Furnace Lord.
Furnace Lord.
Neo Furnace Lord.
He turns him into the Roast Lord, eats the Roast Lord, becomes Furnace Lord.
Dude, fuck like Moro from from the manga. From Dragon Ball manga, like he fucking just consumes him. And he goes, oh, and he just powers up and beats Goku's ass.
He
like,
burns,
what the fuck is happening?
He burns time because he can't overheat. He goes back in time. He goes back in time when Silver Sonic was first created. It kills Silver Sonic before he's like even created.
And then he just
he dissolves. He dissolves because that means he wasn't even
kills himself. No, but my 900 IQ.
No.
My 900 IQ. No.
No.
I fucking can't. No one should take this character seriously. I'm gonna keep saying that. No one on this planet should take this character seriously.
Starved, goes into his workshop.
I'd
decides,
imagine. Dude,
no, I'm actually gonna lock in this time, guys. As if I haven't been locked in ever.
Yeah.
I won't lie. At the beginning of Sonic 2, he really wasn't locked in. I don't know what the hell that drill car was.
He was running off low coffee, you know. He didn't drink coffee that morning.
He was just like, okay, yeah.
He was just doozy. Just, you know, fucking make this shit and send it out. Damn, fuck.
Yeah, slow him down a little bit, I guess.
I can't. I can't, man. No. This video's been like what, 40 minutes long almost? Holy shit. This character is, oh man. I just imagine after those events with the fucking Time Lord and shit, it's just
Out comes Furnace.
Anyway, I'd imagine, brother. Brother. Alright. I'd imagine like fucking with the whole Time Lord shit. He just fucking starved, just slept through all of that. And he wakes up, he's like, what the hell happened? He just fucking sees Furnace. No, please, Master, save me. I'm gonna fucking die. I killed myself.
I can just imagine like the water thing is gonna be used for a stupid gag. It's gonna be like Sonic just gets a bucket of water and he's like, yeah, and he's like
Oh no, it doesn't work.
I thought that was gonna work, guys. Shit!
Gotta spin that shit out of here. And he just gets caught by his fucking leg and smashed into the floor, like this image right here.
I was thinking like Conquest with Oliver.
Just rips him in half.
Hear that, Sonic? That's your tendons.
You're that, Sonic?
It,
That's your flesh being torn. That's your body. This is just like fucking. Okay, I get he's a robot, but he licks his lips just to add on to the.
he licks his like door of his oven, bro.
He makes a fucking tongue out of his like furnace oven thing.
Dude, I just okay. You know what? If the comic ends up being made, I need to see the panels where Silver Sonic gets just absolutely demolished by Furnace. That's so funny.
It's like fucking.
Silver Sonic's already made. He's already made at this point.
Yeah. You
And
probably
I just
like,
need to see the little guy like be like,
He probably fucking lob off his Vegeta. I mean, his head how Vegeta did for Goldo. Honestly,
Goldo? Yeah.
I swear to
he
God.
just like tries to extendo arm out into him, and then he just dodges it, chops off his head, and is like,
This is just Furnace Blast.
new move, Furnace Blast.
Yeah, dude, he can control. He can like control key, except he does fire shit. You know that would be cool, but he would be so overpowered. As if he already is.
Overpowered.
No, my bad. As if he already wasn't. Let's buff him again. With my ideas. 900 IQ, by the way. I'm gonna keep fucking saying this throughout the entire video. 900 IQ. Fuck you for making him so smart. He's a robot.
Mindless, by the way.
Mindless robot with no fucking emotions that serves his master. That is 3 times smarter than his master. How does that work? Why doesn't he just fucking overthrow him if he's smarter than him? And better in every way. If he is 900 IQ, that means he can self-repair himself and make more versions of himself. Which Eggman can also do, but Furnace can do it better because he has a higher IQ. So that means he understands it better. I don't... Ugh, man. Fuck. The more I think about it, the more it hurts.
Stand down.
The more I think about it, the more it hurts. Because of what Romeo is doing to this character. He has so much potential to be good. He has so much potential, but he's just fucking wasting
like
it.
if he said that Eggman discovered the Soul Emeralds and then created a modern furnace, that'd be...
Yeah, that would be cool. I think that would make more sense than just randomly fucking unlocks that shit. Like, yeah, man.
Because here's the thing, like when Shadow came out, like he was better than Sonic, not because he was actually better. I think it was, in my personal opinion, it was because he just wasn't expecting Shadow, and Shadow had better like chaos control.
And that's
so
mostly
in this case,
how,
Furnace would have better.
Mostly how Sonic's interactions go. That's why every time Sonic doesn't expect something, he ends up losing the fight.
And like, you know, if he encountered Furnace with the Soul Emerald, and Furnace wasn't nearly as cartoony as the other ones. As much as I like the cartoony characters, they're funny. I like them. They have a good bit of personality. You don't really need it. You could just say he has a soul emerald. And that's why he can't overheat, because, I mean, he has great control over the soul emerald. But not just, it's impossible for him to overheat.
Yep. And again, with your theory, he gains 900 IQ from the soul emeralds. He gets smarter from the emeralds, dude.
His brain, his computing chip just gets more complex.
It just gets bigger, dude.
His computing chip actually runs on fire.
This is one of those characters where bigger and stronger equals better, and I do not like that. That scenario never works. Never works. Okay, I'm going back to Jujutsu Kaisen. Gojo was made strong as hell, and he swept everybody, and he was also made smart as hell. But that's not why people started loving him. It's because his entire character is tragic. He's the strongest, but he can't protect anyone.
Also, he's funny.
And that too. And he literally lost his best friend because he became too strong. That's so fucking traumatizing. You're the strongest, you're at the top, you're fucking just going, your life is good, and you lose your best friend because you're getting too strong.
Also, your best friend killed an entire village.
Yeah. This is just good character, like, development, good character writing. Not this fucking shit. 900 IQ out of the blue, stronger than fuck every classic Sonic ever. Like, come on, man. What? Who's writing this shit? Fuck. Makes no sense why he's so strong. It makes no.
Well, I mean, isn't Romeo writing this shit?
Romeo, if I fucking catch you, Romeo, if I catch you, Romeo.
Oh my god.
I know how to count to 9.
Can you count to 900?
I think Curtis is smarter than me.
Fuck. I can't take this shit anymore. He's so bad. He's so awfully written. You know what? If the story is good, and the reason for him being so smart, so powerful, no weaknesses, if it all makes complete sense, I take this video completely back. If it makes sense. If it's just some random fucking mumbo jumbo, Eggman felt like he needed to do this, so he did it, and that's why he's strong. Fuck you, man.
If you use my soul emerald idea, hit me up.
Yeah, Romeo, you listening? If you use his soul emerald idea, hit up Plants vs. Zombies.
Plants vs. Zombies 7, bro.
7.
That's my true name. It's
That's
the oldest username I got, bro. My oldest handle.
Oh my god.
Let me tell you, it's a great idea.
It really is. It would work. Not the IQ part, for sure, because fucking emeralds made him smart. Yeah, man. But everything else, it makes sense.
No. Maybe I should find out what. Let me see. Let me see what color this is. I don't know. Which soul emerald do you think would make someone smarter? Gotta use that one specifically, because he's a smart guy, dude.
Oh fucking hell, man. Dope.
One of these is gonna make you smarter.
Do the pink one, because that's like brain color, you know?
Oh yeah,
that's
you're
bright.
right.
That's
It's
brain.
color of your brain.
That's brain color, dude. Exactly, man. Or we can go yellow color. That's the furnace's color, dude. You know?
Dude, fire hot. Fire hot.
Fire is hot. People die when they're killed.
fire doesn't get extinguished. I mean, the Soul Emerald, I get it. You know, again, hit me up. Steal my original idea.
Thank you guys for watching. Romeo, if you're watching this, please. This is not a hate video. It's just me being very angry about your recent decisions with this character. It has a lot of potential to be good. You're just making him way too overpowered, way too smart, way too much everything. Furnace is literally made to capture Mobians. So that's why I'm pretty sure in the Legacy version, he's weaker than Metal Sonic. And Metal Sonic is made to be a rival to Sonic. It's just that Eggman didn't have the mentality back then to literally just fucking cook Sonic. So Sonic didn't expect that when Furnace was made. And that's why he was caught off guard and died. That's all I have to say. You wanna leave some last words, Weedle? I mean, Plants vs. Zombies 7?
I don't think Shinji Furnace.
Who? Shinji from Evangelion?
Yeah.
Does he have 900 IQ though?
He just cries.
He doesn't have 900 IQ, man, so he just loses.
Wait, no, his tears are actually the one thing that can extinguish his flame.
Yeah, dude. But his flames can't get extinguished. What do you mean, man?
My name is Furnace. I
Kill people. I kill Mobians.
kill Mobius.
My master is 300 pounds.
Most difficult